What do you need?
Speak.
To buy stocks, you need to pay the price of a stock times the number of stocks you intend to buy, then add 1% of the total amount as fee. In return, you will receive the stocks of a chosen company. There are also a few indexes which you could refer to when you make a trading decision. The Alinor Industrial Index is an overall indicator of the Thalmor-associated stocks, and the Vici-Salvian Index that of the Empire-related stocks. The Vici and Salvian families, two of the Empire's richest and most powerful houses, own many assets in the Empire, hence the Vici-Salvian Index. There's also the Skyrim Combined Index, affecting the local businesses such as the Blackbriar Meadery and the Silverblood Mining Corporation. Come to me whenever you wish to know the most updated index information. Or you could rent the device from me. If it rises, most of the associated stocks will usually rise. News and political events often have an impact on the stock price, therefore the index, and in turn the stock price. Well, you are free to buy the stocks elsewhere, though I must remind you, the nearest stock exchange is in Cyrodiil and its rates are much worse. With the stocks, you will be able to receive dividends periodically. You can also sell the stocks here. Dividends are paid every month in Tamriel. For example, if a stock's annual dividend rate is 1.2%, then you will receive 0.1% every month. In the unfortunate event that a company closes, the dividends already in your account will still be retrievable. Reward for holding the company's stocks. Every period a company may pay its shareholders dividends, which derive from the profit it makes. Not all companies pay dividends, and not all companies pay the same amount of dividends, though. Simply tell us how much you would like to sell, and we will pay you the amount minus 1% fee. In such an unfortunate event, its stocks will become mere papers. Hope it won't ever come to that. Any events that happen in Tamriel may change the prices. Whenever such event happens, a news article will be published. You can rent our magical device for 1,000 septim. When you return it to us, we will pay you back 800. Or you can come here and check the chest beside my desk, which is free. You are welcome. Of course. Which one would you like to trade? Which stock, please? Of course. Allow me to process this transaction. Of course. Which one would you like to trade? Which city, please? Which stock, please? Of course. Allow me to process this transaction. Yes? Of course. Please take good care of the device. I can only rent out one per customer to discourage losing it. Please. Of course. please. For example, if the exchange rate of septim to eagle is 3 to 1, then you'll pay us 3,000 septim plus 1% fee for 1,000 eagle. If the exchange rate of septim to eagle is 4 to 1, then you'll pay us 250 eagle plus 1% fee for 1,000 septim. Septim and eagle are the currencies of the Empire and the Altmerry Dominion respectively, so their values often follow their national economic power. Of course. Of course. Which one would you like to trade? Which stock, please? Of course. Allow me to process this transaction. Yes? Of course. Here is your 800 septim. Please. Of course. Of course. Which one would you like to trade? Which stock, please? Of course. Allow me to process this transaction. Of course. Which one would you like to trade? Which stock, please? Of course. Allow me to process this transaction. Of course. Which one would you like to trade? Which stock, please? Of course. Allow me to process this transaction.